Roblox showing experiences failed to load when you try to play? Let's fix it fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are tackling the frustrating experiences failed to load error in Roblox. This issue pops up when servers are overloaded. Your internet connection is unstable or cached data is interfering with the game. In this guide, we will walk you through practical steps like checking Roblox server status, clearing cache, resetting your network, and reinstalling Roblox if needed, so you can get back to gaming without interruptions. Method 1. Log out and log in back. When you are experiencing experiences failed to load error in Roblox, log out and log in back. If you are logged into the same Roblox account from multiple devices, then sign out from every device. Then log into your account again from a single device. After logging out and logging in, check if the error is fixed. If not, then restart the router. Method 2. Clear Roblox app data. Cached data can interfere and cause these types of issues. Clearing it resets Roblox to default settings. Here is how to do it. Press Windows plus R keys to launch Run utility. Copy and paste this command in the Run command box and hit Enter. Locate the Roblox folder and right-click on it. Click on Delete. Once you delete the Roblox app cache folder, close the windows. Now relaunch your Roblox game. If you are prompted for application access permission, click on the dedicated download and install button. Let the installation complete, click on play to check if the game is now playing properly. If prompted, click on the open Roblox button. Method 3. Check network connection. While playing Roblox, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or use a wired Ethernet connection. Restart your router and modem. If issues persist, contact your internet service provider for further troubleshooting. Method 4. Flush DNS cache and reset winsock. Flushing the DNS cache can help fix Roblox issues because outdated or corrupted DNS records may block Roblox from connecting to its servers. By clearing the cache and resetting winsock, Windows forces a fresh lookup of Roblox's server addresses, often resolving connectivity issues. Search for CMD in Windows Search, then right-click on command prompt and select Run as administrator. Run these below command in the command prompt. Once you finish running all the commands, exit command prompt and relaunch Roblox. Method 5. Change DNS. Press Win plus R to launch the Run utility. Copy and paste this in the Run command box and press Enter. Right-click on the network services you use and expand its properties. Click to open Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. From Use these DNS server addresses section and set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8. Next, set the alternate DNS server addresses to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the changes. Relaunch Roblox and check if the issue is fixed. Method 6. Clear site data and cookies. The next thing you can do is clear site data and cookies. Doing this can remove corrupted files that cause the error. Here is how to do so. Open your internet browser. Here we are showing the steps using Chrome browser. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Delete Browsing Data. Select All Time. Check the boxes for cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and download history if you want to. Then click on Delete Data option. Then open Browser Settings and go to the Privacy and Security section. Scroll down and select Third-Party Cookies. Then click See All Site Data and Permissions. In the Site Data search box, type Roblox. Locate Roblox's stored data. Click the trash can icon to delete all cookies and site data. Confirm by pressing the blue Delete button. This will log you out of Roblox, so make sure you know your username and password. Method 7. Check firewall or antivirus settings. The Roblox errors can also occur when your firewall or antivirus blocks Roblox's web components. To fix that, allow Roblox through your security software. Here is how to do it. Open the Windows Security app using the search menu. Now click on the Firewall and Network Protection option. After that, tap on the Allow an app through firewall option from the right side pane and then press the Change Settings button. Next, click on the Allow another app button and then press the Browse button to select the game.exe file. Click on Open and then click on the Add button. You will now see Roblox under the list of allowed apps and features. Tick the checkbox associated with the game and enable it on both public and private networks. Once done, you can press the OK button to save changes. Finally, you can relaunch Roblox and check if it is loading properly. You can also temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to test. However, you must enable the firewall and the antivirus later as your system is vulnerable to threats without these protections. Method 8. Disable browser extensions. Some extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, VPNs interfere with Roblox's loading sessions. Disabling them helps identify if one is causing the issue. Here is how to do so. Open Chrome and click the three dots menu. Select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Toggle off extensions one by one, especially ad blockers or VPNs. Restart Chrome and test Roblox. If Roblox works, re-enable extensions at one time and to find the culprit. And that's it. Roblox should now be loading experiences normally again. No more failed connections or black screens. If this worked for you, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick and reliable Roblox and Windows solutions. Drop your experience or workaround in the comments so it can be helpful for others as well. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.